Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a slick 1971 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Very neat car, guys. It's finished, this is a factory color combination. It's Mulsanne blue metallic. It's got the black vinyl top. It's got the factory black vinyl interior. Neat car, man. Car was a frame-off restoration years ago, okay? And then in the last year, they spent $15,000 upgrading this drivetrain. There's 500 miles on it since it was done. It's got a 406 stroker motor in it that's got a Holley EFI Sniper kit on it. 350 trans, all new Dakota gauges. It's got a 355 limited slip rear end. Neat car, man. If you're looking for a fun, straight driver, I think you're gonna love this car, man. It's got plenty of power, torches of tires, a lot of fun to drive. They've upgraded the headlights. Look how nice that front grille is. That is a $1,000 grill right there, friends. I have had to buy one of those grills. They are not easy to find. You can pick the car. There's some stone packs. Like I say, it's an older restoration, but still very nice. They've replaced the bumpers. Definitely something you can take your local shows and cruises and have a ball with, stand tall next to. Good looking car. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. The driver's side's got a remote mirror in it. Glass is nice. Car really hits the road good. Good looking car. Like the original trim piece there. Virginia car, good solid Virginia body, nice and straight down the sides. It's got the 15x8 Chevrolet Corvette rallies on it with the top hats. BF Goodrich Radial T's all the way around it. Those are 255 60s in the rear. That's my favorite size to put on cars, to be honest with you. Gives you that good meaty look off the back. Good looking set of rallies. Again, healthy 406 Chevrolet small block. That's a 430 over. It's got a Holley Sniper EFI kit on it. You can see the polished Edelbrock intake. Nice set of ceramic headers. Really nice CVF billet front runner system on it. Power steering, power front disc brakes. It's also got the vacuum canister for the cam. Air conditioning, air blows ice cold. You can see they've done a really nice job detailing it up in here. Aluminum radiator with electric fan, 350 turbohdyramatic trans. Nice set of billet valve covers. It's got the SS454 badging on it. Which way this thing runs, I bet you'd outrun a stock 454 car. chrome remote mirror. Door handles look great. Looks like newer door rubbers. Door seams are nice and clean. It's got the stock interior. New sill plates. Door jambs are clean. It's got the factory bench seat. It's got the stock steering wheel with the tilt column. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Headliner looks good. Steering wheel looks real good. It's got the factory Monte Carlo dash in it. That's got the Dakota VHX gauge cluster in it. Aftermarket JVC sound system. The Holley EFI is in the glove box. The little adjuster along with the original owner's manuals. Got a good sounding dual exhaust system in it. It's got the chrome tips. Again, it is a 10-bolt 355 limited slip rear end. It has the box rear control arms, front and rear sway bars. Car really hits the road good. There's a spare in here. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Good car. Nice and clean underneath. That's a good car. You're really gonna like the way this thing runs too. Hits the road good. These are great cars, man. They have headrest there. Seats are nice. You definitely redone that. Dash looks really good. Nathan fired it up here. Again, it is a Holley EFI. Nice little cam to it. You just kick your air on, it blows ice cold, guys. You see how quick that thing gets its R's? This thing rocks, man. It's got that iconic front end. I'm not kidding about that grill. I had to buy a 71 Monte Carlo grill. It cost me $800-900 bucks. Didn't look anywhere near how nice this one does. See, it's got the tach. Where's your, click that little button underneath there and it'll show you the miles. It's down here. Yeah, it's 500. It's just over 500. 7 miles per hour. There it is. There it is. 509. Yep. Backup lights work. Good car, man. Car hits, I'll tell you that. Radio works, blower motor works. Opens and closes nice. Oh, it's got the updated headlights. I have to check the front turn signals. They're not coming on. Okay, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Good stance. It's just a good looking car.